Alright, a quick video of 6 Indigo Terrace. Here's the property from the front, the big decorative driveway, garage. See the gate there. And the other 6 neighbors. Private cul-de-sac. Let's go take a tour. Alright, entry has a raised foyer and soaring ceilings. Dining area. Formal living room. Big nook. Huge kitchen. Big family room. Wet bar, real fireplace. Let's run outside. Covered porch patio, screened in. There's some side yard over to the west. And out to the pool deck. More yard past that fencing. Family room window, also the Cabana bath door. All right, back inside. Formal dining area, back up to the foyer. The hall bath, the cabana door, big linen closet, here's the laundry room with a laundry tub, big area, and the 2 guest rooms, big deep closet with extra shelves. Third bedroom, big deep closet, extra shelves. High ceilings in the hallway. Coat closet at the door. Here's the master. High soaring ceilings. French doors to the yard. Ensuite bath. 2 walk-in closets. Linen closet. Oversized garden tub with jets. Granite tops with 2 vanities. Separate shower. Here's the smaller walk-in closet. Here's the larger. Linen tub with a window. 2 vanity sinks. Toilet area. Step-in shower with glass door. Back out to the foyer. Let's investigate the garage and a couple other added items. Oversized garage, hurricane strap doors. All the windows on the building are impact. Storage. On-demand house generator. There's the generator. You also have a gas on-demand water heater, extra water filter, Lennox AC.